I saw the big red vans and the big red trucks driving around with the Cardinal on them. I knew that they held themselves to a very high standard. The nice thing is they were very patient with me. They took their time with me, and they let me learn at my pace, which was huge for me. Them knowing that and understanding that and really taking their time to teach me the ins and the outs and the very basic concepts all the way up to the, getting on the road and riding along with other techs. It was just a new experience every single day, always something to learn and continue learning. So, and that's something that I enjoy, is the challenge. Especially in that first month or so, when you're just learning all of these new concepts and all of these new ideas and all of that sort of stuff, it can drain you. But the nice thing is you go home, you reset, you refresh. If you are feeling drained or if you're not understanding something, feeling free enough to speak up to the instructor, to go ahead and just ask them, hey, can we pump the brakes or can we slow down a little bit? I'm just really, I want to grasp this concept deeper. Even if I go into a situation that maybe I'm not as familiar with, or it wasn't covered as in-depth in the classroom or the hands-on learning portion, there are countless people that as you go through this training are like, give me a call if you have any questions. Let me help you. You're never a bother. Give me a call. I'll do the best I can, or I will point you in the right direction. And just having that support behind you when you go out, you never feel like you're on like an island by yourself. And that's huge, especially when you're out there brand new, just out of Cardinal University, getting your hands dirty. It's awesome to know that you have at any point in time half a dozen people behind you that you can call for support. Everybody here is here to support you, not to lecture you. And you are going to learn so much and enjoy it. Make the most of it.